Have you ever wondered how birds navigate thousands of miles without maps or GPS? It's mind-blowing. These feathered navigators use Earth's magnetic field as their internal compass. Some birds have special proteins in their eyes that detect magnetic fields, allowing them to see the invisible signals around them. When flying, they align their journey with these magnetic lines, guiding them to their destination. This talent is so precise that birds can find the same route year after year, even through storms and obstacles. Their navigation skills are a mix of instinct and biology, showcasing the wonder of nature. How do you think animals use other senses to navigate? Comment below and follow for more amazing animal facts.